How to answer analogy questions. Common relationships found in analogy questions on the SSAT. Analogy relationships. Contrasts. A contrast analogy highlights the relationship between two terms that are opposites in meaning. Some examples are silent is to noisy as calm is to chaotic. Generous is to stingy as joy is to sorrow. Explanation. Contrasts show opposing characteristics. When solving these analogies, identify the degree or type of opposition and ensure it applies to both pairs. Analogy relationships, part to whole. This type of analogy compares a smaller part to the larger entity it belongs to. Examples are leaf is to tree, as gear is to clock, petal is to flower, as brick is to wall. Explanation. In a part to whole analogy, focus on how the smaller element fits into the larger entity and ensure the same relationship applies in both pairs. Analogy relationships, part to part. Part to part analogies compare two smaller elements that belong to the same larger entity. Examples, wheel is to axle as propeller is to rudder, parts of a vehicle. Pedal is to stem as finger is to toe, parts of an organism. Explanation. Identify whether both terms are components of a shared whole. Eliminate answers that don't belong to the same category. Analogy relationships, whole to part. This analogy flips the part to whole relationship, showing that one term is part of another. Examples are library is to book as orchestra is to instrument. Planet is to continent as puzzle is to piece. Explanation. Reverse the relationship and ensure that each second term logically fits as a part of the first. Analogy relationships, activity to result. Activity to result analogies pair actions with their outcomes. Examples, planting is to growth as studying is to knowledge. Conflict is to war as agreement is to peace. Explanation. Focus on how the first term directly leads to or results in the second term. Analogy relationships, use. This analogy shows what an object is used for. Examples, knife is to slice as pencil is to sketch. Brush is to paint as oven is to bake. Explanation. Determine the purpose or use of the first object and ensure the second pair serves a similar role. Analogy relationships, tool to its action. A tool to action analogy connects an instrument with the activity it performs. Examples, spatula is to flip as rake is to gather. Wrench is to tighten as needle is to sew. Explanation. Identify what action the tool enables and find a similar relationship. Analogy relationships, tool user to tool. This analogy matches a professional or individual with their primary tool. Examples, surgeon is to scalpel as gardener is to trowel. Writer is to pen as mechanic is to wrench. Explanation. Consider the specific tools used in each profession. Analogy relationships, tool to object it's used with. This analogy connects the tool with the object it interacts with. Examples, comb is to hair as broom is to floor. Paintbrush is to canvas as needle is to thread. Explanation. Match each tool with its corresponding object of use. Analogy relationships, individual to object. This analogy connects a person with an item associated with them. Examples, astronaut is to spacesuit as athlete is to jersey. Photographer is to camera as musician is to instrument. Explanation. Think about items essential to or symbolic of each person. Analogy relationships, measurement. This analogy connects a tool of measurement with what it measures. Examples, thermometer is to temperature as scale is to weight. Ruler is to length as odometer is to distance. Explanation. Focus on the relationship between the measuring device and the attribute it assesses. Analogy relationships, time. Time analogies connect terms based on periods, seasons, or chronological order. Examples, morning is to day as evening is to night. January is to winter as July is to summer. Explanation. Think about the order or seasonality of terms and how they relate to time. Analogy relationships, degree of difference or similarity. This analogy compares terms based on intensity or degree. Examples, drizzle is to storm as breeze is to hurricane. Warm is to scorching as cold is to freezing. Explanation. Consider whether the relationship involves a slight difference or an extreme comparison. Analogy relationships, person to situation. This analogy links a person with their typical environment or role. Examples: chef is to kitchen as pilot is to cockpit. Judge is to courtroom as actor is to stage. Explanation: think about the environment where each individual operates. Analogy relationships. Synonym: this analogy connects terms with similar meanings. Examples: fast is to quick as smart is to intelligent. Shy is to timid as loud is to boisterous. Explanation: ensure both pairs reflect the same degree of similarity in meaning. Analogy relationships. Antonym: this analogy pairs terms with opposite meanings. Examples: bright is to dark as loud is to quiet. Strong is to weak as success is to failure. Explanation: focus on the nature of the opposition and apply it consistently. Analogy relationships. Geography: this analogy relates locations to broader regions or landmarks. Examples: Paris is to France as Tokyo is to Japan. Amazon is to Brazil as Nile is to Egypt. Explanation: identify how the specific term fits into the broader geographical context. Analogy relationships. Descriptive. Predication: one term describes a key attribute of the other. Examples: flame is to hot as ice is to cold. Loudspeaker is to noisy as whisper is to quiet. Explanation: ensure the descriptive quality applies equally to both pairs. Analogy relationships. Completion: these analogies complete a pattern or phrase. Examples: salt is to pepper as ketchup is to mustard. Stars are to night as clouds are to day. Explanation: look for commonly associated or paired items that complete a set. Analogy relationships. Category is to example. This analogy links a category with an example within it. Examples: tree is to oak as flower is to rose. Vehicle is to car as animal is to dog. Explanation: ensure the second term is a clear example of the first term's category. Analogy relationships. Effect to cause. This analogy reverses the cause and effect relationship. Examples: flood is to rain as shadow is to light. Rest is to moisture as wilt is to drought. Explanation: start with the effect and work backward to identify its source. Analogy relationships. Increasing, decreasing intensity. These analogies show a progression in strength. Examples: sad is to heartbroken as tired is to exhausted, increasing. Excited is to happy as furious is to annoyed, decreasing. Explanation: identify whether the analogy reflects an escalation or a reduction. Analogy relationships. Action to thing acted upon. This analogy connects an action with its object. Examples: kick is to ball as write is to essay. Paint is to wall as sew is to fabric. Explanation: ensure the second term is what the action is performed on. Analogy relationships. An object's primary function. This analogy matches an object with its main purpose. Examples: flashlight is to illuminate as scissors are to cut. Boat is to float as clock is to measure time. Explanation: identify the primary utility of each object and pair them accordingly. Analogy relationships. Sound relationships. Non-semantic. Sound relationships analogies connect words that share a similarity in sound regardless of meaning. Examples: bow is to wow as row is to glow. Tie is to pie as cry is to fly. Explanation: these analogies focus on phonetic similarity rather than meaning, looking for rhymes, assonance, or alliteration to identify the relationship. Analogy relationships. Letter relationships. Non-semantic. Letter relationships analogies involve rearranging or transforming letters in one term to form the second term. Examples: stop is to pots as dust is to stud. Rat is to tar as God is to dog. Explanation: these analogies rely on manipulating letters, reversal, rearrangement, or substitution. Carefully observe patterns or rearrangements in the letters of the terms. Analogy relationships. Word relationships. Non-semantic. Word relationships analogies typically reflect grammatical or structural changes in words. Examples: run is to ran as speak is to spoke. Write is to wrote as think is to thought. Explanation: these analogies highlight changes in verb tense, plurality, or grammatical form. Identify the specific transformation applied to the first word. Analogy relationships. The extreme of one thing is to the extreme of another. This analogy compares extremes or opposites of two pairs. Examples: bliss is to despair as maximum is to minimum. Elation is to depression as chaos is to order. Explanation: the analogy focuses on extremes in both pairs. Recognize the relationship and ensure the second pair mirrors the same degree of intensity or contrast. Analogy relationships. An object is to its primary function. This analogy connects an object to what it is primarily used for. Examples: pen is to write as stove is to cook. Camera is photograph as knife is to cut. Explanation. Identify the main purpose or function of the first object and ensure the second object performs a similar role. Analogy relationships. A specific item is to its general class type of. This analogy shows how a specific item fits into a broader category. Examples: rose is to flower as lion is to animal. Hammer is to tool as clarinet is to instrument. Explanation. The first term is an example of the second term's category. Ensure the relationship holds true for both pairs. Analogy relationships. The word is a sign of the second word. This analogy pairs a word with what it symbolizes or represents. Examples: smoke is to fire as footprint is to presence. Frown is to sadness as smile is to joy. Explanation. The first term serves as an indicator or sign of the second. Recognize how one term signifies the other. Analogy relationships. An object is to its synonym. This analogy connects a word with another word that has the same or nearly the same meaning. Examples: content is to satisfied as joyful is to happy. Dismal is to gloomy as weary is to tired. Explanation. Identify the synonym of the first term and ensure the same relationship applies to the second pair. Analogy relationships. This object hinders this action. This analogy shows how an object presents or obstructs an action. Examples: blindfold is to see as gag is to speak. Handcuff is to move as muzzle is to bark. Explanation. The first term makes the second action difficult or impossible. Ensure the second pair mirrors the same obstructive relationship. Analogy relationships. This object assists this action. This analogy connects an object with the action it helps to perform. Examples: glasses are to see as ladder is to climb. Microscope is to examine as shovel is to dig. Explanation. The first term facilitates or makes the second action easier. Ensure the same relationship applies to both pairs. Analogy relationships. This object is composed of this material. This analogy pairs an object with the material it is made from. Examples: ring is to gold as vase is to glass. Chair is to wood as sweater is to wool. Explanation. Focus on what the object is primarily constructed from. Verify that the second pair matches this composition relationship. Analogy relationships. Completion of patterns. These analogies complete a logical, cultural, or linguistic pattern. Examples: Romeo is to Juliet as Sherlock is to Watson. Peanut is to butter as jelly is to toast. Explanation. Patterns can reflect relationships in literature, culture, or everyday associations. Identify the logical connection and ensure the second pair completes the pattern in the same way. Analogy relationships. Object to characteristic. An object to characteristic analogy connects an object with one of its defining traits or qualities. The characteristic could be physical, inherent, or conceptual. Example: feather is to light as rock is to heavy. Explanation. In this example, a feather is inherently light, while a rock is inherently heavy. When working with this type of analogy, identify the characteristic of the first object and ensure that the second object matches its defining quality. Analogy relationships. Cause and effect. A cause and effect analogy pairs two terms where the first term is the reason or source of the second term. Example: fire is to smoke as drought is to famine. Explanation. Here, fire causes smoke, just as drought can lead to famine. To solve this type of analogy, focus on the sequence of events. One term directly results in the other. Analogy relationships. Function. A function analogy highlights the purpose or role of an object or idea. Example: key is to lock as password is to account. Explanation. In this analogy, the function of a key is to unlock or secure a lock, just as a password secures or grants access to an account. To identify function and analogies, think about what each item is designed to do. Analogy relationships. Sequential order. Sequential order analogies involve terms that are related by their order in time or progression. This can include historical events, steps in a process, or sequential rankings. Example: spring is to summer as dawn is to day. Explanation. Spring comes before summer, just as dawn occurs before day. To answer these analogies, consider the natural or logical sequence of the terms and ensure that both pairs follow the same progression. Analogy relationships, classification analogy. Classification analogies group terms based on their categories or hierarchies. The terms are typically related by inclusion. One belongs to a broader category of the other. Example, maple is to tree as salmon is to fish. Explanation. A maple is a type of tree, just as a salmon is a type of fish. When solving classification analogies, focus on identifying the category and how the term fits into it.